Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this original salad that would be perfect for any meals or just to surprise your friends. For all this you'll need some mayonnaise, 150 grams of chicken breast, some pomegranate, 2 tomatoes, 2 kiwis, some onions, salt, and 4 boiled eggs. First of all, let's cut the chicken. I'll be cutting it in squares. Then I'll be separating the yolks from the whites and chopping the whites and the yolks apart. Then I'll cut some tomatoes in little squares. After, some onions. And then some kiwi. After, I'll be using a cream bag for the mayonnaise. Let's do the salad. First of all, I'll put some chicken, then the onions, and then some mayonnaise. On top, the yolks, a little bit of salt, and more mayonnaise. Then add some tomatoes, and then the whites. Just add some salt and the kiwi. Then add some more mayonnaise on top. And add some pomegranate. And add some decorations. And this is it. This is the result. Doesn't it look cute and really cool? It's really easy to make and super delicious. It's so easy, you could do it for the Christmas dinner table. That would be surprising for your guests. If you like this recipe, subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment what would you like to see next. Thank you for watching.